Hello, my name's Tony Foster. I'm head of the commercial department at Webbers Commercial. I'm associate director at Webbers, and I've been here for a very long time, since 1980. And I deal with all of the commercial property transactions at Webbers. I'm responsible for overseeing all the valuations of commercial properties throughout the 14 branch network. We're often asked what kind of properties we deal with, and we will deal with any type of commercial property or business throughout the area. That can include going concerns, mainly in the leisure sector, including hotels and guest houses, holiday complexes, and pubs, restaurants and cafes. We also deal with the full spectrum of commercial properties. That includes vacant shops, industrial premises, offices and investments. One of the things that makes us so special at Webbers, dealing with commercial property, is our experience. Over the last 43 years, I've dealt with over 7,000 properties, exclusively commercial. We know exactly what's happening in the market. Our clients trust us to give them best advice to achieve the highest price we can. Because Webbers Commercial are a separate independent department within the company, we've got 2 full-time staff dealing with your sale or letting, and we have a register of active people looking to buy and rent commercial premises. So as soon as we get the right kind of property in the market, we're on the phone straight away to let you know it's available. Our marketing is pretty vast really. We're on all the major websites, and especially for commercial sales and lettings, businessesforsale.co.uk and Dalton's Weekly, which is still a very active website. We're also on the usual platforms including Rightmove and Zoopla, Prime Location, and we've got our own specialist Webbers commercial website within the Webbers website itself. We also have a very busy social media marketing campaign, so we're on all the social media pages including the usual Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and we give our clients maximum coverage to market their premises. We're often asked by clients what they're looking for and where they should locate their new business or existing business. And the old mantra in commercial property is location, 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 which is relevant to your specific business. So if you are running a gymnasium, for example, you might need to be on a retail park. If you have a restaurant or cafe, you want to be in the main catering sector of the market. And if you've got a normal retail business, you might like to be in the high street. So really it all depends on the kind of business you operate. So when you're looking for premises, we are very experienced in finding the right location for your property because we know the area so well. We know each town in the North Devon area, West Somerset and North Cornwall, and we've been trading in those towns for such a long time. And our local branch network with 14 offices have local knowledge as well. So in dealing with your property and the local branch, we know exactly what the right location is for you. Because we're so experienced, we deal with every type of business. We're very trusted in the local community, and we recently acted for local authorities in West Somerset, North Devon and Bedford Torridge District Council to find tenants for their existing businesses. We basically deal with all kinds of businesses ranging from post offices, news agents, right through to these extraordinary businesses like garden nurseries, garden centres and anything really that has a profit and loss account and makes an income, we will value and sell for you. In today's economy, one of the hardest things to do is to arrange commercial finance. And because we've been here for such a long time and have such good contacts, we can place our clients in touch with commercial brokers who specialise in commercial loans for funding. So we can help you in that direction. We're also familiar with the essential requirements on new legislation for the need for asbestos surveys, the need for electrical specialist surveys and the like for commercial lettings. And we've got access to all the professional people to give you the right direction. When you instruct Webbers Commercial, you're not just instructing one office. So we have 14 branches, and our local directors have access to our commercial property register. So we're able to involve them with the transaction if you want, or if you prefer a confidential transaction, we can deal with it ourselves. But the great advantage of Webbers is the people, and we have access to all of those offices to give your property the maximum coverage it deserves. So Webbers Commercial are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You can contact us by phone on 01271 347 888, or you can contact us by email at tony.foster@webbers.co.uk.